Hey, what's up, guys? Steve from Out into the Wilds here, Smithers Custom Baits. I am here, as you see, with uh, what I was calling the Bud Stewart lure. A little bit more research from the actual owner uh, revealed that it is a Butch Lindell. I think that's how you say his last name. Lure. He worked underneath of Bud Stewart or with him, vice versa. I probably already said this in the last video. It's been a few weeks since I've worked on this. I went on vacation and I've been doing some other things, so sorry if I'm repeating myself. But I am ready to paint it. I believe so. It's gonna be a hard task because I've never painted anything like this before. We'll see how it goes. I have my reference photo up of what it's supposed to look like, how the owner wants it to look, so it's not too difficult of a pattern. At least it doesn't look too difficult. We'll see how it turns out. First things first, gonna give the belly, the under half, all the bottom here, a pearl white. I'm so used to doing live streams now, I can actually turn my camera off until it's ready. Alright, here we go with the pearl white. Not too sure how well this is gonna stay still. Hopefully it does. This is my first time painting like this. First of all, I should say first time painting wood. First time reaching my wood. I'm thinking this. After I go through, I'll screw it all, and I'll clean off the hyzer holy right there. Looks good. Alright, so there's the pearlized belly. Okay, so now that I got the pearl belly done, go ahead and flip it over, top half. And what this is going to get is, one of the main colors is a gold. Gold is bronze-ish. Jeez. So I'm going to use a pearlized, it's actually called Pearl Satin by Createx. It's basically gold. I do have a pearlized copper as well. You see the color difference there. The copper is a little bit more yellowish that you could use. I'm going for the more laid back tone. This is going to be sprayed around the whole thing, so I'm just going to go to town here. I'm just going to do each of one second myself. Try this. So, I just think that I can't really. Layers. Alright. Got a little scale pattern on this. I got some transparent black into my gun. I don't really know how well this is gonna work. As long as I can get it to stay still, maybe. So I just got a transparent black by Comart in my brush. Just gonna dust it. Nothing major. This will also turn up a little bit. Just a light dust, and it might not look like I've done anything. Carefully taking off all my clips. Good thing I went out and bought these big ones, even though I've never used them yet. They're too big for the small baits, but something this size, almost wish I had more. So just peeling off the scale pattern now. Came out pretty decently. Not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna change out some color into this and take the black out and put in some sepia. I got the camera up a little bit. So with this particular paint job, it has stripes coming down the side, both sides. I'm gonna use my standard comb here. The eyes on this are gonna be in this area. They were actually there. In the pictures you can see the eyes are in this area. So I'm going to start the stripes back behind its gill plate here. Maybe fit, I don't know, we'll see. It'd be nice to fit 3 in there. So let's see if I can get in there. Sure. I've already got the sepia in my brush. Try to get this lined up right. That looks good. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to line up the lines so none of them land inside the crack, you know. So they're starting on one line at the beginning and one line at the end. Hopefully it works out that way. We'll see. So there's one side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, taking a sip of coffee. Cold coffee by now. Whew. So I got the stripes on both sides. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna kind of fade up the sides. On the picture, it looks like there's black and a brownish on the top. So go ahead and try that real quick. Work on this side. Now, I'm not coming too far down, just kind of blending the top of the stripes in. Kind of just do it at an angle here. Just give it a nice little brown slope. Going down the slope. Good piece of that. Over the other side. I'm going to hit the sides of the bracelet. Catch it down a little bit. Trying to just trace both sides, set the off on top. I'm going to face it a little more, really first. There's just I'll see how much black is this, just across the top, start it up. Now the eyes go I think that's really it on that. Just gonna add some black into this, and I think that would be good to go. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got some more transparent black back into my brush. Darken up the back and some of the front of the head. So kind of fading it in, that's all. I'm not going to go black like I did on top. So the only thing that's really left is to add red to the bottom lip area, throat area, so go ahead and do that. I'll be back. Hopefully you guys didn't miss too much there. My battery on my camera went. I don't know when it went. Tried to restart back up. Anyway, so really all that's left is he wanted red on the bottom. Let me pull out this old... I saved all the old hardware, so I'm going to try to replace the same way. Anyway, so this is the old lip that came off it. It's just no saving it, rusted to all heck. So this goes up front here, around that area. So I think I'm just going to probably just do the whole thing anyway. Till, you know, back to about the hook eye. Okay. Must be thin. Or we'll just like make sure I'm getting inside here. Out of here. That's about it. I'm kind of, I'm happy with the outcome. Once I get the eyes in place and all that stuff, it'll look a lot better. The eyes, the bills, the hooks, and everything will just come right together, so. But, stay tuned for the next part, which will be clear coating it, and then the part after that, adding the hardware. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.